My viewers, I welcome una. Inside this Nigeria where we dey, different kind of things now they happen. We just hear say they just catch some human parts dealer. This one they happen inside Ibadan. And now this matter they go and say Amotekun get tips. He get some guys inside this location say all these guys they be ritualists. Now there these people begin do their investigation and truly now there they go bust house this guy come notice say these people they cut people head. They sell for a very cheap amount. My people beg now follow me watch.
Ẹni president ọ̀la tó introduce ẹni tí ọmọ ń pa bí wọ́n ṣe ń gbé èèyàn ó jẹ́wọ́ pé gbẹ̀tùgbẹ̀tù làwọn fi ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ olúgbò táwọn bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnikẹ́ni táwọn bá fi bá sọ̀rọ̀ kò sí lè wí nǹkan kan yọ tẹ̀lé àwọn àti alẹ́ ni wọ́n ti mú bàbá yẹn mọ́jú kó tó di pé wọ́n wá mú lọ sínú yàrá tán ti lọ pa wọ́n mú dénú yàrá àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta náà jọ pa ẹni fún lọ́rùn èyí mú lẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ tí wọ́n fi bá àfá ìlọ́lọ́ mú jáde nínú ilé tiẹ̀ ẹni tó dù rí nígbà tí wọ́n dù tí ó tètè gé orí àfá àgbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tó sọ fúnra lára rẹ̀ yóò sọ fún àwọn oníròyìn náà tẹ́gbọ̀n ọba dá orí yòókù nígbà tí wọ́n dá orí tán wọ́n gbé lé ẹni tó fẹ́ lù lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó fẹ́ lù gbé lọ ilé rẹ̀.
Now wow, which kind of wicked word we dey abeg? People no even get human sympathy at all. You no go even reason say this person na human being na him be. You go come decide say you won't go catch person, and the next thing you no go even reason say okay make I even pity you, make cut your hand because something small. In which the person go still even this one na full head. Now the person come cut comot. And the mumu things where these guys come they talk now if they even catch person depending on the head size. Now they go use they give you price. You will be say your head small like my own, they fit charge you like 2,000. You will be say you carry the nation of the world for head, your own will be like 4,000. I beg. How much be 4,000? When be say person go they keep person on top. Ha! People wicked. It means say for fingernail, they go charge like 200. Or now they say we are home, I don't even want talk say na hungry. Because this one na pure wickedness. If no be say person wicked, you go come carry your own fellow human wey be say you no fit create your own human part and forgetting say you sef you get your own head. You know reason as okay make I cut my own head. You person own now you come decide say anyway this Amotekun I thank corner. E be like say inside Nigeria now this Amotekun dey even work pass our Nigerian police and army. E be like say na dem dey do the real deal. But abeg Amotekun I go employ say make una do una investigation go deep. People where they buy this head, make an arrest them. People where they even supply and to whoever the babalawo or whatever him be, make una arrest that people too because as it be, this Nigeria no go good. It no go good because the kind evil things where people they do. In fact, God go dey vex for us. Now what make every day disaster and bad things they happen because of the kind things where we say people carry for mind. People just dey evil, you know go know. My people, I beg you wait there outside. Dey very careful because you know no person wey be say they carry you for mind. Some people they be aliens, they just wear human being body. Now witches and wizards nine they be because this is what they happen now. Some people they blame the country saying na hungry. Now I beg which kind hungry? Hungry carry you rich. You get option to go sell pure water. You get option to go turn bricklayer. But you know reason na human being part you can't decide say you want they say. Anyway, I thank God say they don't catch this one. And other people they do, in fact, one day, na self go reach na meter. May they shall not just go let this case die like that. May they carry these people, may they face the law. Now all this kind of time, now they like jungle justice. Because if not, if they don't beat them, these people blue and black. But see where police they now. Last, they go carry them, go jail. They go pay for their side, they go bail them. But anyway, on top of this matter, I go make sure say I put my ear where. Here how this thing go take end up because these people they no go just go scot-free, go keep person, come they go just like that. Anyway, my viewers, now here I go take break on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.